One of the most demanding technologies of 2021 within business organizations is internal communication software. Since the emergence of remote work and workforce distribution, employers are continuously trying to find new ways and strategies to redefine their communication system to support the employees and keep them connected to ensure the workflow is not affected. Internal communication software is software or technology that helps employers streamline the organization's communication process, ensuring that the right information reaches the correct employee at the right time. However, some of the must-have features of internal communication software are personalization of content based on employees' job function, location, interests and preferences, ease in content creation, distribution and management, easy integration with communication channels such as email, intranet, Microsoft Teams, Slack and others, integration with major social media channels enabling employee advocacy, integration with HRIS systems for easy user management, mobile-friendly user interface, providing analytics and suggestions for improvement. Benefits of internal communication software. Getting and implementing internal communication software within the organization can positively impact individual employees as well as the whole organization. Some of the important benefits of internal communication software are as follows. Reach every employee with targeted communication. The internal communication software is designed in such a way that it eliminates the growing concern among communication professionals. By using features such as targeting, segmentation, push notifications, scheduling, and others help communicators reach the right employee with the right content at the right time. A sophisticated software also provides a mobile app allowing frontline workers to stay informed and engaged, eliminating information overload. The processing of vast volumes of information leads to stress among employees and leads to their poor health. According to a survey, it was found out that most of the managers felt a negative impact on their professional and personal relationships due to information overload. However, internal communication software eliminates information overload by enabling communicators only to send the relevant information to the target audience. Improved digital employee experience, DEX. One of the significant benefits of internal communication tools, among other functionalities and features, is consolidating various workplace technologies into a single platform. Such type of integrations can help improve employees' digital experience at the workplace. With the technical ecosystem getting extremely complex, consolidation of various tools helps to improve productivity among employees. Driving employee advocacy. Internal communication apps are designed to enhance employee advocacy at the workplace. Employee communication platforms need to include functionalities such as encouraging and enabling employees to share the content externally. Employee advocacy can help drive significant results in sales, marketing and HR departments and is an excellent way for organizations to save money in advertising. Reducing ownership cost and streamlining communication infrastructure. Organizations need to understand the company's current communication infrastructure and how to bring it to the next level. An excellent internal communication software offers technologies that help organizations implement and manage all their communication efforts in a single platform. This, in turn, helps reduce the total ownership cost as the manual interventions of the IT department can be significantly reduced. Enabling interdepartmental collaboration and knowledge sharing. Knowledge sharing is becoming increasingly valuable as many organizations are experiencing significant skill gaps at the workplace. Integrating proper internal communication software can be the best solution to streamline knowledge sharing within the organizations. Consolidation of various documents and centralized content storing and communication solutions enables knowledge transfer in a faster and efficient way, improving the overall communication process. Therefore, integrating excellent internal software within organizations helps them streamline the communication process and provides the benefits mentioned above. Conclusion. The quality of communication plays a significant role in the employee's engagement and experience at the workplace. Communication is crucial for any organization and plays a significant role in getting together the organizational alignment with the company's strategy, purpose and objectives. Therefore, organizations need to build good internal communication software and strategy to empower employees and drive the organization towards success. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.